Hello students. In previous video we have learned that what the honeybee doing all day. What is that work all day? So the honeybee not a single insect that is working in for honeycomb. So she is telling that I help with the house building too. She also helping the house building, how the honeycomb is built. We keep making our house bigger and bigger. They are making to grow the house bigger and bigger for their babies, for the food, hmm, and for the storage. Room for the babies and for the food and honey we gather. The honey is the most important thing that they gather. So they have large room. When I became older, I began fly off out of the comb. When he was the baby, he stay at home, but now he is big, so he is fly out of the comb to gather the nectar. Nectar means it is the kind of juice that honey take away from the flowers, and that then they make the honey. I take the nectar and pollen from the flowers and carry back to the comb. Pollen means in Marathi it is called parakkan. They get away from it and go back to the comb. Nectar is the sweet juice in flowers and pollen is the yellow powder stuff you see in flowers. Nectar is the sweet juice that they get away from their sting, a sharp weapon they have given by nature. And flowers and pollen in the yellow powder. All you will see that the flowers at yellow powder is stuff, and you can see in it. I visit hundred of flowers, not only the single flower, but they are going to hundred of various flowers, and make several trips every day, but not a single trip. Go take the nectar from the flowers and go back to the home or their honeycomb and then go back. So there are many trips. I visit hundred of flowers and make several trips every day without wasting even a single moment. But they are going while doing this work, they are not stopped. Continuous they are working means going for the work. Lot of trips up there and they are not wasting a single moment. The nectar from the flowers is too thin. It is very thin that only honeybee can pick that. We bees turn into the sweet thick honey that you get. See how the honey we get only from the honey. It is called sweet honey. So it is not get ready made by them. They are hard working. They gather the nectar, go to their honeycomb, then their procedure. They are doing the procedure in that home. So finally we get the sweet thick honey. But before that they are very lot of work to do, and so we get the honey in honeycomb. But you see that when you want the honey, you must fly away the flies from the honeycomb. Only that you can get the honey. The person is going to the honey hive and then they scatter the all honeys or go away, and then we get the honey because touch they can't allow you to touch the honey. So before you touch that, you must scatter them, the person in that field doing that. And so they gathered the honey, then the procedure on it, and then we get the pure honey in the bottle. It is only because you called me lazy bee. So what purpose her or that it is not lazy, he doing all the work, all the bees are working all day, and so we get the honey. But I stop and explain to see honeybee is working all the day. They are going to trip and the making the honey, going to the gather to nectar. Still she stopped because of she is telling her monologue. So she said that I have no time, but I was stopped to explain all you that how my work, otherwise I have not moment to lose. So she said that this is my monologue and I Don't have a single second to stop and moment to lose. Bye. Because honeybee is working all the day. So finally she went for the work to gather the nectar from here and trip to the honeycomb. Hope you are all that get my point. If you have any query, then ask on the group. Okay. The question answers I will give it tomorrow lecture. Okay. And you have write first the new words and then the this part of work. Hope you will purchase the workbook for English. Okay. So you are going to start it. Bye bye.